There are several causes for neck pain and stiffness. Repetitive activities from your job, falls, motor vehicle accidents, lifting heavy objects, straining your neck. All of those things can cause significant neck pain and stiffness. But no matter how your neck pain started, I'm going to show you 3 stretches that you can use that will help alleviate the pain and stiffness. Now, I recommend that you be sitting down to do these stretches, which is ideal because most people are going to be sitting at their desk in their office, and that's where you want to be doing these stretches. The first stretch I'm going to show you is to stretch the muscles in the front of the neck and the back of the neck. So first thing you do is you bring your head forward, and it's going to stretch those muscles in the back of the neck. Then you bring your head back and stretch the muscles here in the front of the neck. Keep repeating that stretch forward and back 10 to 15 times, depending on your tolerance. And then you can repeat that exercise 2 to 3 times a day. And in the next exercise, we're going to stretch the trapezius muscle across the shoulder and into the back of the neck, and then the scalene muscles, which are on the side of the neck, that attach into your first 2 ribs and up into the side of the cervical spine, the neck. So the first thing you do is you reach down and you grab the bottom of the chair with your hand that you're going to stretch on that side. And then you lean away from that hand as far as you can, so you feel some tension being put on that shoulder and into even up into your neck. Then with the opposite hand, you reach up and you hold the head and you gently traction your head over to the side like that. And you hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds. And you want to repeat that stretch 3 to 5 times and do the same thing on this side. And again, for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, the third stretch, we're going to work on a muscle that's called the levator scapulae muscle. This muscle attaches into the back of the cervical spine, the upper part of the neck, and then into your shoulder blade, the top of your shoulder blade right here. So what you do is you bring your head forward and then rotate it to the side so that puts tension on that muscle that's running into the top of the shoulder blade. And then traction your head down with the opposite hand. And again, you want to hold that stretch for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then repeat that on the opposite side. And if you don't feel the stretch right away, you move your head a little bit to one side or the other, and you're going to feel that stretch kick in. And you hold that again for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then repeat that stretch 3 to 5 times to each side. So that's that spot that you get that's so tight and sore all the time when you're sitting at your desk and you're always rubbing that spot. This is the stretch that's going to help relieve some of the tension in that spot. This muscle contributes to neck pain, but it can also lead to headaches at the back of your head, tension-type headaches at the back of your head. If left untreated, your neck pain and stiffness can get progressively worse and lead to significant headaches, worsening of the neck pain, shoulder pain. It can even go down into your arm and hand because the nerves coming from your neck refer down all the way into your arm and hand. So get started now by doing the stretches and calling our office at 651-487-5334 to schedule your appointment today.